Today, we have got some concerning news for all the Samsung Galaxy enthusiasts out there. After the recent launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it seems like Samsung is facing some major issues. Stick around to find out what's going on. After the launch of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is in big trouble. A user recently posted a picture showcasing lines on the phone's screen. According to the user, the lines appear on this 24 Ultra screen. While not immediately noticeable, these lines become apparent when you pay close attention, especially affecting the quality of wallpapers. Additionally, users who've recently acquired the Samsung Galaxy S24 series are expressing dissatisfaction with the vivid display mode. Unlike its predecessors, the colors don't seem as vibrant, leaving users questioning the realism of the vivid display mode. But that's not the only issue. Remember the greenline display problem with the Galaxy S20 series a few years back? Well, it seems like history is repeating itself. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is now facing a similar problem, with users reporting a thin green line running down the screen and occasionally a thin white line across it. Frustrated users have taken to the Samsung community forum, sharing their experiences of encountering these lines during activities like watching YouTube videos or even during the phone's startup process. Despite attempts to resolve the issue through restarts and factory resets, users are left without a solution. Now, what's even more concerning is the response from Samsung's customer service. Some users who sought assistance from Samsung Care were told to return the phone and buy a new one, potentially losing any pre-order discounts they had received. Adding insult to injury, Samsung redirected some users to complain to their service provider, like T-Mobile, if the phone was purchased through them. This leaves users in a bind, uncertain whether Samsung or the service provider should address the issues, especially when the phone was bought through one channel but is tied to another. What's truly alarming is Samsung's lack of a quick and official response. As of now, there's been no acknowledgement or statement from Samsung regarding reported issues with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This silence is leaving early adopters worried about the phone's quality and the level of customer service they can expect. While it seems like the problem hasn't affected a massive number of users, Samsung needs to address these concerns promptly, openly communicate about the issues, and assure users about the future of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, there you have it, the current challenges surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. What are your thoughts on these issues? Have you experienced any problems with your S24 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at three Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at $399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in three captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.